So I am about to do river rafting along Yulong River in a place called Yangshuo in Guilin. So let's get this on. Thank you. They actually call this bamboo river rafting. So basically these guys are just pedaling us through the river and we get to enjoy some views along the river, which is brilliant because at least finally I get to relax while some other people do some work. So yeah, I hope it's going to be a lovely day here. My friend is working very hard here behind me. Come on. Yeah, yeah, it's good. It's good. Yeah, today at least I get to breathe. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Ah. Okay. Ah. Apparently here, or this area is 600 years old. Yes? Yeah. Okay. I have a friend here that's helping me translate stuff. 600 years old. In South Africa, we are only what? Let's not even go there. Mata.
你们非洲有这种山没有？你多少懂一点中文吧？不可能来中国玩一点贵啊。
那个都不是 China， 一直是 China。activity 吧到那里摩托用。yes。
啊？说英文。
So this place is 青蛙。
什么？
青蛙。
青蛙，我也知道青蛙，这是说英文怎么说啊
？This mountain like frog.
It's like a frog. Well, I don't get any frog there, but anyway.
你再看看右边。
Yeah, I don't see any frog shape there, but yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it, boys. Which one is this one? 狮头。
狮头。狗头。
Okay.
狗头上。
Like a dog? There's no dog shape here.
像不像
But anyway, yeah, it's fine, it's fine. I'll take it too. Yeah, what a lovely day. We just had a frog-shaped mountain and now there's a dog-shaped mountain. Or maybe they're referring to the clouds or something. I don't know. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, here's the head on my right side of the screen. I think I get it. I was just a slow learner there.
Beautiful. 是漂亮吗
Yeah, 漂亮。
哦，
漂亮。
我这个词我懂。
It's beautiful, my friend. Yeah. Okay, I get the dog shape. I understand, but I could not get that frog shape. Okay. Yeah, no, it's a lovely day. It's a good day. Busy day in the office. I'm working hard. Sometimes I must also appear in my videos, man. Come on. Dira spane wena ko morago go. Dun 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 dun. Ya raloela man, raloela.
Okay.
Feet up. This is all I do today. Feet up and I move. Oh, easy day. That's all I do. So easy. Okay, what is this? Biamfu?
Yeah.
Biamfu, Biamfu means they say it's a bet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Batman.
So yeah, I see the mountains have some names and all that. That's good.
大哥，你推荐的有？
没有。
要不要？
No, Sissy.
No.
What a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. Yesterday I was in West Street. West Street is also just a bunch of bars together, lots of restaurants, and I got to enjoy a bit of nightlife there, which was quite amazing. And it's also full of international tourists that come here to enjoy nightlife and such adventure activities. It can either be extreme or this relaxing. For me, this is an adventure, but it's more of a leisure for me. They have lots of stuff that you can do here in Guilin, and yeah, I'll try and show you around today what this is all about. Strong. Do you know what is Bonfajwalefat?
What?
Do you know what is Bonfajwalefat? Ke botamotse. Sang cho.
1、2、3。
Wow. Yeah. Wait.
Okay.
Okay. Is it still a video? You can show them around where we are.
看他的眼睛黑黑不转。这么黑哦，我把这眼摘了。
I'm a celebrity on the other boat.
Okay.
This is what I call my bad decisions. Do you think I made a good decision or a bad decision? Huh? Do you think I made a good decision or a bad decision?
I'm not hungry.
You don't understand. It's fine. I call them my bad decisions with very good intentions. Traveling is fun. Di ka tlha di pompa. It's our turn now. Arabon. Feet up. Ah. Woo! Yay! Hey. Well done. That was good. Ase ka stoko mo morago ga ka mo ya. Staka.
情侣，
情侣
衫包在一起。
Ya ka re ke le rago chinlu. So excuse my language. What is chinlu? A bum?
Girl, girlfriend.
Boy and girlfriend. Hi. Yeah. So that's where they meet. Hi. Bang Sasa, no. Chinlu. There's an echo in this area. I hope you heard it. That was funny. I know you probably did not hear it, but yeah, that's cool. Woo! Yeah, there. Yeah, loala gompieno. A se nna ke monate wa lefatshe. Monate mpolaya.
我是整条河上最靓的仔，最靓的仔。
从那边 ，OK， 从那边，从那边 ，OK。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
Oh,
This is.
Oh, hello.
Put on your safety belt. I'm about to take you somewhere else. I'm about to take you to paradise.
没有没得的，
Good afternoon.
给他
How
刷
are
一下
you?
吧。 I don't know.
I'm your designated driver today. Put on your safety belt. Put on your shades and some sunscreen. Easy job, easy job.
So easy.
So easy,
Really?
so easy, and so niopi.
Oh, okay.
你太牛逼了！
Easy. Come on, let's go.
Wow.
Let's get this on. Ready?
加油！
Hey, come.
都可以，很好，good。
Come on, Uncle Phil. Good this time. Come on.
多加一点学费呀。
I'm Magaluela. There's nothing that can defeat me.
哎！
Ahora can defeat Magaluela. Nothing can defeat me but how? Small nyana, bamboo nyana, old nyana. Okay. Okay, this is.
好，OK，过来了，Hello， 过来了，
过来了，
嗯，
过来了。
过来了，后面山来了，过来了，
This is so nice.
行了，让人家钻上来了，帅哥，人家钻上来了，好，OK 了，行了，OK，
So 牛逼！
哎，你太牛逼了。
It's a beautiful world.
来，这个门路这个起过来的。
看前面了。
Biangbong. That is Biangbong.
哦，对。
That Biangbong to me looks like a booby and someone pregnant. I don't know. Biangbong. I'm tired now. No. I'm tired. Tired of looking at beautiful stuff. Monate pula, yeah. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our wonderful adventure. This is where everything stops. And where Uncle Seth is going now to rest. Now, rest for what? Let me see, I think I'll go do some go-karting. Life, you're gorgeous. Bye-bye.